Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, and today we're going to have a look at the IQOO 3. So this is a retail unit that I've purchased for my own self, and this is not a test device. So what review I'll be giving you is from a user's perspective and not from a reviewer's perspective. I have bought this to be used as my main device, and here are my review of the device. Okay, so firstly, the device runs on IQOO UI. As you can see, this is a rebranded version of FrontTouch OS, but it is better because you don't have to swipe down from control center. You have this quick setting toggles here, so there's no issue, like it does not look like a copy of iOS if that's what you're worried about. Other than that, it has a launcher which allows you to have an app drawer, but right now I'm using Nova launcher because I'm not really into the launcher that came with the system, because that launcher is a bit glitchy, to be very honest. But Nova launcher looks really cool and I can customize it a lot. As you see, I've customized it pretty much, and it has the normal stock Android like look, so I really like that, and that's why I've put Nova launcher. But the stock launcher also has the ability to have an app drawer, so the problem of not having an app drawer is not there. Other than that, the phone is smooth. Okay, so honestly speaking, the phone is really smooth and really nice. It works pretty well, and there is this one UI like one hand usage also available in the settings, which is really cool, I think. And in the stock Android, only a few custom ROMs have this, so that's cool. There's also a lot of customization when you come to animations. Okay, so yeah, it has the a screen edge notification thing that is on OnePlus phones and a lot of phones nowadays. So you can put it on the always on display, or even when the screen is on, to get that edge lighting. So light effect for notifications of various types, you can choose it like this. You can choose a transparency of the light, you can choose the width of the light, you can choose the duration, and the effects are of various colors. As you can see, there are these effects. So this is pretty cool and is also useful when you get a notification. Other than that, you can customize what type of USB animations would you want, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so the customization a lot. Then the ultra game mode here, the one thing I did not like, or would have liked if they did it automatically, was to detect games. So if you want to use all the ultra game functionality, that is the monster buttons, you will have to use add your games here manually. They're not added automatically. So as you see, I've added 2 games, Call of Duty and Asphalt 9. So that is pretty cool, and you get 4D vibration, you get eagle eye enhancement. As you see, it improves the game's view, the colors, and it actually does that. So that's really nice. And yeah, the fingerprint, I really want to talk about the fingerprint of this phone. So the fingerprint on sensor on this phone is really fast. So as you can see, it unlocked in a second. So there is not a lot of lag. So I'm coming from OnePlus 60, and the fingerprint is definitely an upgrade. What else is an upgrade is the beautiful screen. So when I go to the home screen, it looks really punchy and it's really beautiful. So that's really nice. I really like that. Other than that, the phone is extremely feature rich. So not a lot of YouTubers have talked about this, and the phone has a great haptic feedback. And something that I've never seen in a lot of phones is when you go to vibration effect, if you choose one of the system ringtones, you can see that it has a vibration effect called follow music rhythm. So if you choose follow music rhythm, what happens is your phone vibrates according to the rhythm of the ringtone, and that is really cool. Other than that, I really like the vibration motor in this, and it's really nice. It also has Hi-Fi DAC, and it supports mostly every app that you might use, and it really works. Okay, so I've used Hi-Fi DAC, and one of the songs that I listened to, one of my favorites, I used to listen to it on a Bluetooth earphone, but when I plugged it into this Hi-Fi DAC, I realized there's another instrument that I did not hear earlier. So yeah, it does improve the quality to another level. And you can disable the smart button, and the smart scene. I find smart scene pretty nice. A lot of people don't find it useful, but it tells you everything from the amount of water you should drink, how much calories you've burnt, and your general health benefit features. Also, in one touch you can enable the monster mode and it makes your phone really fast, so I really like that. And there's something worth mentioning, the dark mode on this phone is really well optimized. It forces every app in dark mode, but unlike MIUI, it really has optimized the dark mode so well that when you actually enable dark mode, all the apps are well optimized and you think that it is natively supporting the dark mode. So the dark mode is really nice and you can schedule to turn it on, etc. So yeah, it is a very cool phone. It's running really well and I have faced no issues in gaming. As far as the battery is concerned, so as you can see, AccuWeather shows, so in standby the phone can last for 95 hours and it's really good battery wise, so there is no issue when it comes to battery. As far as the charging goes, it charges excellently, so 146% per hour is what Accu Battery shows, so it's really good. As far as the battery department, it has a 55-watt charger. So if you're looking for a really hyper performance phone and don't mind going in depth and customizing the phone a little like I've done, this is the phone for you. Also, the main camera app is really useful. As you can see, it clicks great pictures and has great quality. As far as the front camera's portrait is concerned, it's one of the best that I've seen and it's really cool, and the wide angle is amazing. I've seen a lot of phones, but this has the best wide angle ever. So if you're looking for a great wide angle lens, this phone has it. I've also used Gcam on this, and Gcam only works for the primary lens, but it really improves the primary lens because the primary lens is where this phone lacks. Other than that, this phone has no issues. It works really well, and I've already received one update. It does have widevine L1 support, so yes, Netflix is supported in HD. So guys, I hope you like this video, and this phone is really good if you want to purchase. There is no problem with cellular quality. Trust me, the latest update has fixed any issues that there were. So buy this phone without any worries. It does support widevine L1 and the screen is gorgeous. So I hope this helped you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.